This is Masood Hashmi. Today I'm going to show you how to make French fries with air fryer. So before we start, I want to show you the cutting board. It has my name on it. So you should have a cutting board with your name of the chef on it. Okay. So first of all, in order to save time, I have sliced this potato. These are Idaho potatoes, which we're using for French fries. So, I've already sliced them. So basically you take a knife and you make, the skin is still there. So you just keep on cutting it. So make pieces like that. It could be same size, it doesn't matter, and then I have put them in this dish. And I have cut them before also. So reason I put them in this dish, because the starch will come off from this. So you don't have too much carbohydrates. So I keep it for 15 minutes to half an hour, and then I will come back and dry them and show you how to make French fries in the fryer. So what I have done, I have drained the water out, and now I'm going to dry these French fries so the extra water gets absorbed. You can take more. Pat dry. So once that's done, then I'm going to have this Palm olive oil, just a little bit spray on it, like that. And then after that, I'm going to use this shan masala, toshi, shan masala. So this is the shan masala. It has salt and peppers and all other masalas already in it. I've already put it in this namakdani, as you say. So then I'm going to just do like this. And I'll just give it a toss. You don't need anything else. So this is done. So very soon we're going to put it in the air fryer. So what I'm going to show you today, this is the fryer. And so first of all, I'm going to open it. So once we open it, here is the basket. And you see it has multiple holes in it. So here's the basket where we're going to put our fries. So what I want to do is, I want to put fries, I'll show you. I want to space them up so the air can circulate through them. So here are the fries, now we put it in. Now we're going to take this basket, put it back in this air fryer, like this. Now we're going to shut it off and lock it. This is the on button, on it, air fry. And now it has 20 minutes time on. So now I'm going to on it. So our planning is in about halfway, say 10 minutes from now, I'm going to open this up and check the fries and move them around and then put them back on again. So I will see you back in about 10 minutes. So it's about 10 minutes, as you can see on the fryer. So I'm going to stop it. So I'm going to open it. Now, please come here, Toshi. So so what I'm going to do, see, this is what it is. So I'm going to change it. Looks like I may not have to do 20 minutes. I might have to go 15 minutes. So just change the position so they don't burn. Okay, now that's done. So I'm going to put it back. close it, and start the button. So we're watching this thing, and I want you to listen to this Sindhi music. This is music from Pakistan. We're going to take it out in 18 minutes. Let's take these out. So here are some of the fries. So this is ketchup and this is red chutney. So see, you dip with this, you dip with this, and then you do Bismillah. Best French fries like we eat at McDonald's. Now this is Shan Masala again. This is made in Pakistan. Very good masala. So we'll put that on. Shan Masala is already on it. And you dip it here. So these are the French fries as I told you. Now this Shan Masala, you use it according to your taste, whatever you like. I like little hot, so I use like this. Once again, here's a fry, ketchup, chutney. Wow. Thank you very much for watching again.